check it out. I'm Dirty Diesel Mechanic, live. Alright. Alright guys, let's see what is complaining about the heater. You see, I checked that earlier ago. As you can see, the fan is not coming on. No fan at all. So we're gonna check. First, we're gonna check the fuses. Jump over on the top here. So let's do that now. Pop this top off. Usually there's screws right here. So let's get that off. On these Volvos, there is, on the back of the panel, there's the reference for all the fuses, what they go to. So we're looking for the blow motor, so let's look for it. So we're gonna check the fuse, which was F48. It's called a LECM3 HVAC. I'm gonna get this out, which has, we use this today, my power probe. My tester and stuff. Uh-oh. We got two different styles. One you connect to the battery, one that you connect to the ignition. Let's do it that way. Tip on. Alright, a power probe is basically a glorified test light. You have, it's connected to the positive and negative. The test light just connected to the negative. So, as you can see, I'll find it tells me if there's a ground. When there's power, it'll turn positive and it'll show the voltage. If there's a ground, it'll show a negative with a green light, and then on this, and it does do different tones for positive and negative, and you can supply negative, and you can supply 12 volt battery voltage to any circuit. It's a great testing tool. So we're just going to use it to test the fuses, which is F48. The 48's right here, so positive. Next thing is we need to go and pull out the blow motor. We are going to take off the blow motor and test it from there with this thing, and I'll show you how to do that. Alright, let's take that apart. Let's see if we can get to the blow motor and see if there's power getting there. Take this off. Remember to take this speaker out, that's how you get it off. There's a 10mm bolt down here. That bolt right there, This one right here. That one goes right in that hole right there. You got to remove the speaker and the cover to get to it. A lot of people don't know that, so that's the trick of the day. Alright guys, this is the bottom part of the thing. I didn't show it to you earlier ago. There's either two mounting. This one's missing, but those plastic looking, they're plastic bolts. And you got this, loosen this bracket too. This grab handle on the bottom so you can pull away so you can pull out. Break that one and just loosen, and then you have to loosen one up. Just loosen this one, take this one out, and pull this out. Alright everybody, as you can see, when I pulled the pump out and the motor out and I jarred the motor, the brushes get stuck inside here and they seize a little bit. The brushes are probably starting to go bad. So I'm going to show you still how to test it. So they got these two jumper wires. You can see behind there, this little module controls the speed with resistance. So I want to see the black and white wires. There's a plug back there. I'm going to back probe them with these. They're called T-pins. You can get these in Walmart, Amazon. They're called T-pins, sewing pins. That's I use those for back probing. I connect my two positive and negative connectors, and I'll go from there. I'll show you what I'm going to do after that. Okay guys, I'll show you how I did it. You can see it back probe the wires with the T-pins, slid them behind it, and I'm going to test it. So let's plug it back in, and I'll show you how to test to get some good test readings to tell something's not working right. Alright guys, you can see computer's center ground and it's saying positive. See? So the blow motor's bad, and that's signal from I turned on the fan accessories and nothing's coming on. so we're gonna replace it with blower motor. Blower motor's no good. Here. Alright. Alright guys, we're gonna put the new blower motor in, which is this is the new one. And we're gonna show you how to put that back in. I've just seen how I took it out and troubleshoot it. Just get power and I turned the fan back on. The power and negative were working. I tested the motor, it wasn't coming on. So let's put take it out and put it on. Just crimp it right here, push it back to your here. Crimp it and push it. Alright, throw it in. Little clip, you just pop off. I didn't show you how to pick these up. These pop back on. This one's not having them on, but it'd be alright as long as you divide them in the areas they need to be to hold it in. Alright guys, this is the bottom part of the thing. I didn't show it to you earlier ago. There's see the two mounting. This one's missing, but those plastic looking, they're plastic bolts. And you got this, loosen this bracket too. This grab handle on the bottom so you can pull it away so it can pull out. Break that one and just and then you don't have to loosen one up. Just loosen this one, take this one out, and pull this out. I've shown you before. So a bolt right there. This one right here. That one goes right in that hole right there. You got to move the speaker in the cover to get to it. A lot of people don't know that, so that's the trick of the day. So I'm going to finish putting it back together. We're going to test the motor. So put the speaker back in the. Put the extra couple bolts in, and then we'll test it, see if everything works good. Alright guys, let's test this and see if everything works, the fan blower. We turn it on. There it goes. Everything works. ship it. Thanks for watching Dirty Decent Mechanic, and please subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.